Hello, everybody. So, as you can tell by this video, I've had my hair down all day today, and it's starting to get on my nerves. Went to the doctor's today, and nothing's wrong or anything. Just had a checkup. Look at that hair right there. Can you see that? What in the world is it doing? Anyways, I can still see it. Went to the doctor, and the doctor said to quit jumping on the bed. Anyway, no, went to the doctor today. It was just my annual checkup, no big deal. Took my blood pressure, was really good. Said I hadn't gained any weight, which I don't see the possibility in that one, because I feel like I've gained the weight. But she said she thinks that it's because I've been eating a lot more heavy food lately, and it could be. And then my husband's coming down the stairs right now.
That's all my good loving, baby.
All the good loving.
That's why you feel like you gained
I feel heavy.
Yeah.
You can lay that over there on my chair, and then I'll take it in there.
He ain't heavy. He's my
You only brought 2 down?
Yeah.
He's bringing rolls of toilet paper downstairs for the downstairs bathroom.
You didn't want
Big excitement. What else I gotta say? Oh yeah, they did blood work, and they had to stick me 1,000,000 times.
I gotta find me a shirt.
It's on your chair, right there. Anyways, they got my blood finally, and I should get the results from it tomorrow evening. And anyways, I asked her about taking vitamins and what she suggested, and she highly suggested drinking the Energy C. Guess what? I've already been doing that. She said it has a lot of magnesium, a lot of zinc, and a lot of vitamin C that you need, so you need to drink it.
Actually, the doctor said, you don't need to take vitamins, you just need plenty of fish.
I need plenty of what?
Fish.
What?
Seafood, fish,
fish?
shrimp.
She didn't say nothing about fish.
She said that's where the vitamins are.
No, she told me that, she told me where all of her favorite restaurants were. And her and I agreed that the market was the place to go.
Lamb sandwiches.
Yeah, that's right.
If you want just a little taste of Bible experience, go over to the market for a big fat lamb sandwich and some shawarma, which is some rice.
They know, lamb. A lot of people know what shawarma is. Anyways, we send in food. And then I got a big surprise today. So, guys, I realized the other day, the last time I bought myself some major walking shoes, like I'm talking about like tennis shoes, it was 2015. Anyways, I told Ronnie, I said, I got to get me some. He's been telling me to get them for a long time. And so, this way, he's going out on the porch, which I don't know how. It's cold out there.
I gotta get cold.
Anyways, I found these pair of shoes. I'm getting distracted. I found this pair of shoes online, and I asked Dilion, my son, if he had Prime, because that's the only way I'll order it, and I don't have Prime. So, he ordered them for me, and of course, I paid him for the shoes. And I wasn't supposed to get them until the 22nd of March. Well, he changed distributors some way, somehow. I don't know how you do it, but anyway, I got them today. I was like, he wrote me and said, hey, your shoes are on your porch. I'm like, they're not supposed to be here until the 22nd. He said, no, they're out there. Anyways, I got them today. Aren't they beautiful? Ooh, and they got memory foam in them. They are the Skechers Go Walks. They are so pretty, I don't want to wear them. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to get me some new socks. This is probably going to sound like the silliest thing ever. But I seen a picture of me a while back. I had on blue jeans, and I had on navy blue shoes, slip-on shoes with white socks. That looks so dumb. I thought, The picture was real good if I had more of them dumb socks. Anyways, I know, it's ridiculous. Anyhow, I'm going to get me some cute little, what do you call those? Like anklet socks, like ankle socks, low riding socks, in black for summer. So that when I go out and I go places, I have some really good comfy shoes to wear because I've got some things that I want to do this spring. And I need some comfy shoes. And I really wanted them before my son came to town because him and I got plans to go shopping over at Sam's. And he said he would take me to the mall and some other places. So I'm really looking forward to that. I'm really looking forward to going and doing those things. We will see what happens. Hopefully nobody gets sick before then or anything like that. I've been doing everything to stay super, super protective. But anyways, I had an interesting day today with doctor's appointments. Today is the first day. I'm just going to tell you guys this. Since Ronnie and I went two separate ways. It was strange. He went to the gym and I went to the doctor's, and we rode two totally different buses with totally different people. And it was just odd today not being with him. But it is something that I don't have to go back until 2023 unless something major happens, which I pray it does not. But anyhow, had a good day, very productive. I have not put out my video that's supposed to go out today yet. And I'm going to go upstairs here in a minute, and I'm going to do that so you guys can see that. And anyhow, not much more to say about today, and I'm not sure what all we're going to get done. I have one more pizza to bake in there, and I'm going to put it all together and put it in the oven and bake it, and then I'm going to wrap it up, put it in my refrigerator, and we're going to heat it up when we come home from class tomorrow and have it for lunch. And I also have a salad, so I might have salad and like a slice of pizza tomorrow. But anyways, we had a very lovely day today, very busy. We're both going to sleep very, very well tonight. But I'm so excited about my shoes. I know that probably seems stupid to you guys, but like I have the biggest problem parting with this kind of money. And even though that really wasn't as bad as I could have done, I still had problems parting with this kind of money. But I got shoes like my husband wears. He got Skechers last year. He got 2 pairs. And it's so funny because I lucked out and I got a pair for him that was black. And then my mom and dad got a pair for him that was gray. And just was so nice for him to have some really good shoes. And he has really benefited from having good shoes. You have to take care of your feet when you get a certain age, especially if you do a lot of walking. And I have that, oh my gosh, what is that thing called? I have heel spur. And it can get very, very, very painful. And so I have learned the art of taking care of my feet. You know, I haven't wore high heels or anything in like, since COVID started. I have been, ow, I'm jumping because I hit my foot on the coffee table. I have been I wear blouses like this, but sweater and jeans, that's what I wore today, kind of girl lately. I mean, when this COVID thing happened and everybody was at home, it was all about comfy clothes. And, you know, I see people who dress up and I think, I used to do that all the time. What happened to me? And I have all these really nice clothes. And I feel like I don't have anywhere to go in them. But maybe that will change. Maybe that will change. I did get a new outfit at Gabe's. That was part of my Valentine from Ronnie. So I'm going to wear these shoes and my new outfit on my birthday. I'm going to save it for my birthday, which is not far away. And I'm looking forward to things. And I think I might even color my hair and really fix myself up for my birthday. What do you think, babe?
Well, baby, you look beautiful enough to me, but I tell you what, if you just do whatever you feel, sweetheart.
He's the easiest going man in the world. So, we're going to watch the Waltons. Big surprise there. Right, hon?
I'm ready for it after the big day.
I tell you what, let me go throw that other pizza in and get it going, and then we'll turn on the Waltons. How's that sound?
Sounds good to me.
All right.
Sometimes people's lives become entwined with ours for a brief time.
Oh, get it in there.
Change or growth or the passage of time.
I just thought I'd throw this in. This sauce was delicious on the pizza. Never bought this before, but because the stores were running low, this is what they had. It was fantastic. Well, I just wanted to come in here and tell you good night. I just got out of the bathtub. I just enjoyed the most wonderful warm bath ever. I used my eucalyptus and spearmint bath foam, and just, I think I could have went to sleep in the bathtub tonight, but I think I would have eventually woke up about 2 or 3 cold. But just enjoyed a nice bath after we watched the Waltons. And we got another early morning tomorrow because we're going to go take a class down at Cabell Association for the Blind. And Ronnie is watching a nature show over here. He's got his earphones in, so you can't even know he's even watching. And I just want to thank you for watching this video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment because we love to read them. And if you are new to my channel, I want to invite you to hit that subscribe button. And I will be seeing you all again soon. You guys have a wonderful night or day whenever you guys are watching this. Good night, guys.